Tribune, and I think there's an incredible group of reporters, although their ranks are diminishing at the Tampa Bay Times. So I still love newspapers, and I always encourage people to read newspapers. That's where you start with the best information. But the TV stations have almost completely left their mission. They almost give us nothing, with the exception of a few good reporters, and there are reporters. Steve Nichols at Channel 13, I think, is still there. Mark Douglas is at Channel 8. And there's a bunch of other good people, Mike Thiessen at Channel 10. But a lot of times we don't get the political coverage, the government coverage that we should. And we don't get the environmental coverage, we don't get the civil rights coverage, we don't get the human rights coverage that we should. And I think that one thing that we can do is call those stations up, those TV stations. Most people get their news from TV. It's a sad fact. Most people do not read newspapers. But I would call the TV stations and say, you know what? I don't want to see another story about a horse being a gifted painter until you cover the Medicaid controversy in depth. 800,000 people in Florida stand to get health insurance coverage if Medicaid is expanded. You may think that's a good idea, you may think that's a bad idea, but it's a huge issue. And it means that if we don't find that money, hospitals are going to begin to go broke, they're going to have to lay off staff, and when you think about that 800,000 people, most of those are women, and 300,000 are people between the ages of 18 and 34, young people who almost have no voice in our society. So it's a huge issue for our society, and you know, on the other side, the Republicans will say, we can't afford it. We cannot afford to do this, and Medicaid is a screwed up program. Okay, that's good, but let's get that debate on Channel 8 and Channel 13 and Channel 28. It needs to be on there, and it's not on there right now. And I think if we gently call up the news directors at those stations and say, I want to see some coverage of this, maybe it'll turn them around.